So this is the harmonic balancer puller I was using. It's got a swivel bearing here that won't damage the nose of the crankshaft there. You can see I've got the hood tilted up pretty high. I like to get a little more headroom, so I remove the springs, disconnect these hood springs here, and I get a lot more travel to get this hood going vertical. And I just use a rope to hold it up. Gives me a lot more light and a lot more headroom under this hood. So this is my setup for removing the harmonic balancer on the Chevy 350. I've just got an adjustable wrench on one of the legs here. I got my rope hooked to it. I don't want the timing to move around on me. And I just have the rope hooked over here under the fender, just enough to hold it while I work this bolt here and pull the dampener off of there. You can see the distance is growing. I'm changing the timing chain and gears. Since I'm getting into the motor, I thought it'd be a good idea to at least check out the timing. And if I want to check it out, I might as well just change it. It's getting to where I might get rid of this wrench now. I don't think I need the leverage either. There we go. So I got the balancer off. Wasn't too difficult. It says on here replace assembly after removal. I do have a new one. It's plastic, and this is kind of weird here. This big old ball of silicone there. I'll probably cut that off with a razor.